How to turn on Guardian mode on your WeChat account. What's up everybody, welcome to this video. I will show you how to do that easy and quick, so let's learn how to do it. All what you need to do now, just open your WeChat like this, and after opening your WeChat, go open your profile. So here guys, open your settings and now click on account, click on Guardian mode and click I have read and agree to WeChat Guardian. Click here, click enable, and that's it guys. Now you have to set Guardian password. For example, for me I will do this 3 4 1 2 3 4, and that's it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel, and see you in another video.